Hello, welcome back to Easy Kitchen. You cook Tony, bring you easy things to cook in the kitchen. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and a like bell also. Today we have a special guest. We got my sister-in-law Jill. Of course, we got my beautiful wife filming. Woohoo! Today we're gonna do a challenge here, another challenge. We got Wendy's versus McDonald's versus Rally's, or it might be Checkers in your state. I don't know where you're viewing from. This is the battle of the bigs. You got the Big Bacon Classic right here.
All right.
Versus the Big Mac versus the Big Bufford. First, of course, you got to start off with the bag presentation. Wendy's plain old white bag. You can have a little more on the front and the back, just like McDonald's. Cover the whole bag. The big arches. See the big arches? McDonald's, just like Rally's, covers the whole bag. Wendy's, take note. All right, let's dig into this.
All right.
First, we have the Big Bacon Classic.
Oh wow.
Which costs $6.50. Let's get rid of this bag.
It better be good for $6.50.
Big Mac comes in the box. You got the wrap, you got the box. $4.68 for a Big Mac. Used to cost $1.
Yeah, it did.
Then we have the Big Bufford, which also is wrapped in foil. I'll save this bag.
I think this wrapping is better.
Oh.
I like the red and the silver. It's like it looks meatier.
Oh, I kind of like that box right there. That way, when you open it up, you can put some fries in that box, the box lid and stuff. What y'all think? Comment down below. Of course, y'all know I got the world famous Fago here. I told you I'll be drinking that red pop.
Wow.
All right, let's open this up and see what we got. Big Bacon Classic.
That looks delicious. Now that looks like a meal. When you open that up, it looks like you're gonna eat a meal. It's gonna be filling.
Big Mac.
Wah wah wah. Let's see.
Rally's. Big Bufford.
No. When you're hungry, that looks good. That looks much better. When you're hungry, coming home from work, that one.
Got a lot of lettuce on it.
That's good for you. Okay, we're going. All right.
Which piece you want?
What piece with the lettuce? Lettuce is good for you.
I'll give you the big piece then.
Vegetables. Thank you.
Alright. Let's cook this Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Bufford.
I do like the Big Bufford's bun. It looks really moist.
I give you the smaller piece. Alright.
Okay, I need a knife, please.
Take the same knife.
Thank you. Okay. You dig in first? Which way we going?
Let's check out this Big Bacon Classic from Wendy's. So you got bacon, 2 pieces of meat, tomato, cheese, onions, pickles. My sister-in-law took all the lettuce, so I'm gonna let her have it.
A little lettuce on here.
Let's see what this tastes like.
I know.
I haven't had Wendy's in a while.
Yes. This one won.
You didn't even try the other ones yet.
I didn't tell already. This is number 1. Wendy's got it going on. That bacon, crispy, chewy. You liking it too,
I don't know yet. I'm gonna bite into that Big Mac. That's kind of sloppy.
Yeah, but sloppy's good. When you hungry, it's good to be sloppy.
Big Mac. Of course, y'all know the jingle, the old commercial. 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. Y'all remember that? Gotta get this Wendy's down.
Yeah. So wait a minute for me. This is the bun. Wendy's got it going on.
So far, Wendy's. The patties are thicker. More meat. The Big Mac says Big Mac, but it used to be bigger than this.
Actually, yes, it did. Okay. Got that down. Let me try this now. Wah, 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 wah. Nope. That ain't it. That ain't it, bro.
There you go.
Wendy's is still number 1. But you know, I like that bun though. Bun on this one. Right bun.
So let me bite that thing.
Let's see. Ready?
You got lettuce, red onion, 2 pieces of beef, some kind of sauce in there too.
Look at that bun. Look at that bun, is beautiful. That's a classy bun. I like that.
Wendy's.
Wendy's winning. Yeah.
Yep,
Wendy's. I knew it.
And again, it should taste good for $7.
You know what?
$7 burger, y'all.
I think it was the bacon. The bacon made it much. The bacon was just topped it off. I'm gonna go back to this one. Then with the lettuce,
Wendy's.
nice bright lettuce. The bacon on there.
More bacon left in there.
Sorry, bro. I got a big piece. Look at that. Look at that. Look at them layers of bacon. Layers in between, layers on top. It's a meal. You can put this with your kids. It was $9 for this one.
That's a bacon egg? That's $7.
$7. Yeah, you could put that with 2 kids.
It should be good for $7.
That'd be. Well, they didn't disappoint.
So there y'all have it, y'all.
Delicious.
Wendy's is the winner of this challenge.
Wendy's.
It beats out Big Mac.
Wendy's.
It beats out Big Buford.
Wendy's.
Like I said,
Wendy's.
if you're new to my channel,
Wendy's.
hit that red subscribe button.
Wendy's.
Ring that notification bell. Ring that like bell. Till next week. Wendy's, y'all. Peace.
Peace out.
Fago. Wendy's.
Wendy's.